So 5-8 is a bit cumbersome because there's a bug in it that they have yet to fix. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it and then a little workaround that'll get us where we need to be so that you actually get your full points for this. Get some space out of here. Okay. So we've got our right line, odd numbers from 1 to 99, prints out one number per line, and it will go print one number per line. You start out at 1. This is just the same thing we did in the previous. And as long as n is less than 99 plus 1, so less than 100, semicolon, n plus plus. I could have put a constant in there. That's less than 100. Let me change this around. And we'll just go that way. Less than or equal to. Let's go ahead and run this thing. They're still working. Now, this is the meat and potatoes of this exercise. Is if n modulus 2 is not 0, meaning if it's not an even number, there is a remainder. So if it's an odd number, write it out. If it's an even number, we don't. So we went through, we said 16 divided by 2, there's no remainder. Don't write it. 17 divided by 2, there's a remainder. Write it. So it'll go through and write each one of those numbers. But there's a little bug in this. And I'll show you what the bug is here. If I go ahead and run this the way I'm running it, prints out every odd number. Right on down the line. 89, 91, 93, 95, 97. And if I go run my checks on it, comes back and it says, you've got a problem, my friend. You don't have 91, 93, 95 in there. When in reality, we see to the right, we do. Now, at this point, your code should be fine. You should be 100% because you displayed all the odd numbers. But let's work around this little bug by putting in this right line statement, 91, 93, 95, 97. It's looking for these 4 numbers. So I'll give it to them. Now if I run that check, submit 100%. So you're good. So if you run this part of the code and it tells you you've got issues, that some numbers are missing, just go put a right line at the end and we'll work around it. I'm hoping they get this thing resolved soon and you won't have to put your right line in there. Okay, see you in the next video.